Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna make everyone's favorite dish, that is veg momos or dumplings. In this recipe with you, I've shared lots of tips and tricks for how to make perfect dumplings. So I would highly recommend you guys to watch the video till the last. Now let's get started with the recipe. Before that, don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. Start off by measuring 200 grams of all-purpose flour in a big bowl. Then pour in 110 ml of cold water into the flour. Mix it together to form rough dough. Once it forms a dough, knead the dough for 5 to 6 minutes or until it's nice and smooth. Once the dough is ready, wrap it in the plastic and let it rest in the room temperature for an hour. For strong dumpling wrappers, keeping the dough in the fridge overnight will help. Meantime, let's make fillings or stuffing. For that, I've already chopped my veggies. Now I'm gonna combine them together in a big bowl and mix it together. If you're preparing for more servings, obviously you will need more cabbages. In that case, just make sure to squeeze off the excess moisture from the cabbages after chopping them up. Now heat 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is well heated, add 20 to 25 grams of salted or unsalted butter. By the way, it's optional. I just add it for the better flavor. After that, pour the hot oil over the mixture, then mix it together until they are evenly incorporated with the help of a spatula. Then wrap it up and let it sit in the fridge until they are ready to go. Now let's make dumpling wrappers. For that, first dust the working surface with some flour. Then place the dough and quickly knead it once. Use flour whenever needed to stop the sticking of the dough. Now roll out the dough into about 1 to 2 mm thin sheet. Make sure to handle the sheet gently to stop the tearing and all. Cut out a circle of dough. Pull out the scrap dough and stack the wrappers. Make sure to sprinkle some flour between them so that they don't stick together. Now let's make dumpling shape. If you don't have steamer, you can simply buy it from Amazon. I'll leave the link below in the description box. Place the dumplings directly on a well-oiled steamer as many as possible without touching each other. Finally, it's the time for steaming the dumplings. For that, take a wok or pot that fits your steamer well. Fill it with water about a quarter, bring it to the boil. Then place the steamer on top of that pot, cover it and steam for 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. While the dumplings are steaming, we can make it easy or chutney or sauce, whatever you call it. Once it's well cooked, serve it with your favorite sauces and enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.